Hi everyone, here we've got a ULEFONE Note 8P and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app obviously, and now we can enter the settings. Since we are in the picture mode, we can enter the settings which are in the left corner, and on the second option we've got self timer. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Obviously right now it is off, it is marked, but we can set also 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and as you can see it is notified right here, so we can go back and try to take a picture. As you can see here we've got also the icon with 10 seconds, so it informs us what kind of timer we've got applied. So after tapping on the shutter button, you can see that the device will count down from 10, and after that time it will just take a photo. And it will obviously work with all other options, so let me pick for example 2 seconds delay. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. And obviously after turning off the timer, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your ULEFONE Note 8P. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.